Alright, today we're going to show you how to insert a T-Mobile SIM card, and I want to show you in this big format. This SIM card is for other carrier that's I really don't care. But anyway, long story short, the SIM card gonna be inserted in this orientation. Okay, so as long as you have the SIM card like you see the slot in this orientation, you know you insert it correctly. Reason why I did that is to show you guys how this works. Get a piece of paper clip or pin, and you want to use it to press down the SIM card. Once you press down, it has a little clip. You can see it come up right there, and yeah, and then you can just remove it. Okay, it's very hard, so you might need like some glue or something to get it out, but here you go. Here's the SIM card that's coming out right there. Okay, you can see the corner of the SIM card. It's right on the bottom, and you want to put that in. Just the FYI, reason why you would take the SIM card out is when you want to test it on a hotspot device or something like that, and they lock down the IMEI number to that SIM card. So if you do try to swap it, it just simply won't work, because I don't know how they did it, but just like back in the day, you had to call customer care to say, I want to provision this to this IMEI number to this unit. So that's basically how to install a IMEI SIM card.